step?
Naomi, Peter. Level and 8 count. New step.
The new step was
Gliding.
obviously gliding. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step, step, moving around. Trying to keep 8 count forward, keeping your partner in your arms. Not losing the feet, don't have to go any specific place. Your homework is that when you stand up from your work desk and you go, time for lunch, you think of us, you get guilty, and you go, oh shit. And you do this for 1 minute. Gliding around, okay? Then you do it.
60 seconds after you stand up from your work desk.
That's right. And then we did a circle. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Just remember, leaders, rock, step, triple step. I said here. Remember, followers.
I said, okay.
And then all of us, triple step, one more. After that, we just mixed it up. So we do like a promenade, I can do a yo-yo, I can do a circle, a whole bunch of stuff, whatever you want to throw out there. Hey, 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 and then you're done, and then get off me, Brian, get off me!